Christie auditions for Attorney General by putting Hillary Clinton on mock trial before lively RNC crowd. Cleveland. Christie, days removed having painfully lost out on the chance to be Donald Trump's running mate, gave his best audition for Attorney General Tuesday, putting Hillary Clinton on mock trial before a riled-up audience. Christie, during a rousing speech at the Republican National Convention's second night of events, relied on his experience as a former U.S. attorney to present a case on the facts against Hillary Rodham Clinton, courtroom-style, encouraging the captivated crowd to act as a jury of her peers. "Let's look around the world at the violence and danger at every region that has been infected by her flawed judgment," he said in what appeared to be a comical audition to be Attorney General in a prospective Trump White House. "And I'm going to be specific, so you can render your verdict on the basis of the facts." One by one, he tipped off nations where Clinton, as Secretary of State, had overseen American involvement that ultimately produced mixed results. Christie made the GOP-loved case against Clinton's failures in Libya, Syria, Nigeria, Iran and China, following each argument with the question, "Guilty or not guilty?" The crowd ate it up. "Guilty," they chanted every time, often breaking out in spontaneous lock her up chants. "Let's face the facts," Christie, suddenly a practicing lawyer again, continued. "Hillary Rodham Clinton cared more about protecting her own secrets than she did about protecting America's secrets," he added about the presumptive Democratic nominee's email scandal. "And then she lied about it over and over and over again." On the charge of putting herself ahead of America, guilty or not guilty? Guilty. The gleeful crowd of delegates cheered. Christie, who Trump passed over as his running mate choice in favor of Indiana Gov. Mike Pence, appeared to drink up the attention, often pausing for dramatic effect. And yet, when Christie was asked a day earlier by a Michigan delegate whether he would actually prosecute Clinton if he were to become the nation's top law enforcement official, the Garden State Big demurred. "It is very tempting to give in to what I know would be an enormous applause line," he said. "But vertical line, it would be wrong for anyone outside the system to prejudge something before they get in and to say that they will utilize the enormous power of the position of the Attorney General of the United States." Clinton, for her part, hit back witty about Christie's own legal troubles. "If you think Christie can lecture anyone on ethics, we have a bridge to sell you," she wrote.